Hey everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Sitting here in my converted pop-up camper with hard side walls, as you can see. I've got a mining rig running on solar power right now. It's been raining all day, but it finally cleared up. Pulling in about 10 amps from the solar panels at this time. My microcontroller is sitting here watching over everything. And I've got a single one-card mining rig running for now because I got broken solar panels and I got burnt. Those of you who follow my daily videos know that. I have to adjust this bench. But anyway, we're working on that deal. Today though, I wanted to talk to you about my outlook on cryptocurrency and how I choose to invest, in quotes, in cryptocurrency. The idea, what I have, and what I base it on, oops, there's a mega cloud, hope it recovers. What I base it all on is, I don't think myself, this is my own thoughts, I'm not telling you and I'm not giving any advice on investment or to mine or anything else. I'm telling you my opinions and my thoughts and how I approach investing in cryptocurrency in the way I do it. My thoughts are, I don't believe in spending any of my paycheck or my earnings directly from working on cryptocurrency. It's too much of a risk. Again, this is my opinions, my thoughts, and my ways of doing it. I think that spending your hard-earned paycheck and money on cryptocurrency is a big risk. And you could lose it all. Or you could gain a lot. But I don't like the idea of gambling myself. So there are a lot of people who are out there who have spent their life savings on Bitcoin. And they've lost it. Some people are millionaires. And that gets a lot of people to want to jump on board and invest their money to get involved. Looks like I might end up, if the cloud doesn't pass, my computer's going to shut down, which is a perfect setting for this video, leading into what I'm doing here. It's a perfect setting for this video. Yep, voltage is low. I'm going to manually shut. The way I choose to go at it is to run computers to mine cryptocurrency for free on the power of the sun and let that be my investment in the future. Rather than spending your hard-earned cash on a risky investment, I'd rather run a computer that isn't costing me a penny to run on free solar power to harvest and mine cryptocurrency and use that for my investment. Some people are asking me, why are you spending so much money with the huge startup costs involved with mining cryptocurrency when you could be doing something else with your money? Well, the thing is, if you refer to my previous video, I started out with free equipment, free computers, free everything. And I think my first graphic card was $20, and then I upgraded to a $50 card. And I used the earnings in cryptocurrency to reinvest into better and better equipment. So with time, I kept reinvesting my cryptocurrency earnings to improve the system I had until I had 12 rigs running and 40 graphic cards all together. That was including, though, the shared mining cards, so that's not 100% all mine at the time. I'm not sure what I have now because I sold some of the computer parts during the crash of crypto, but I do have a lot of my own graphic cards through reinvesting in the cryptocurrency that I had earned back into better and better equipment. And that is what I'm going to continue to do. Running computers on solar power for free, reinvesting some of those earnings back into improving the solar power, the microcontrollers, the power inverters, and the computer parts to run the stuff. Now here is the key behind everything I do. My theory is, since I started out with nothing in the first place, no cost, there's no risk at all. Everything I buy, everything I invest into the system is usable equipment that can be used somewhere else and that I need anyway. To date, I've not spent anything on any equipment that couldn't be used for something else. I buy a motherboard and computer parts. I can sell a computer. I can use a computer. Or I can keep it, let it collect dust on the shelf until crypto comes back up. The fact is, I only purchase something that can be used for something else later. If you buy crypto, let's say you buy Bitcoin, and it goes up and you're a millionaire, great and happy. But if it tanks and you lost your investment, which a lot of people have, you've got nothing to show for it. If you buy computer parts and crypto tanks like it did, you put it aside and you wait. It comes back up, you pull it back out and you start mining. Or, as I did, I got some new solar panels. Well, we all know how that was working out, but I will be continuing to get more solar power to improve our lifestyle, but to also run mining rigs for free on the power of the sun. I will harvest cryptocurrency and mine for free using the power of the sun. And then if crypto goes up, I win. If crypto goes down, I just hold it and I wait. And I put the computer, well, in this case, the computers can continue mining with no cost to me once the system is in place. Right now I'm running stuff that I already had and the computers that I already had. And now the heavy clouds are over, so there's no mining going on. But it doesn't cost. So I think a very safe way to go is what I'm doing. Invest in stuff that you can use. Solar panels, charge controllers, batteries, and computer parts that you can use in the future. Whereas if you spend money directly on cryptocurrency, you could lose everything and have nothing to show for it. This is how I'm going to start saving for our retirement with no risk. This is my no risk retirement account. And that's exactly my plan, my zero risk retirement savings account. When I was in the military, I put away money every single month and I started an investment account and I started saving for my future, investing in stocks and stuff. And I started getting really heavy into it. I studied it a lot. I learned a lot. And I also lost a lot. When the economy tanked and the bubble burst and everybody lost their money, all the money I had invested all those years after the investment, what do you call it, the people in charge of running the stocks and the funds, the company got their money, they got their profits, and I got a $100 check in the mail when I closed the account. $100. That's all it was worth after all that, and that's all was left. They got their earnings, they got their money, and they got their fees. And after all the money, I don't know how much it was, thousands of dollars through the years, I have no idea. I wasn't paying attention to it very closely when it peaked, so I don't know exactly how much was in there, but it was my future savings for retirement. And I got a $100 check in the mail. That was it. I don't trust or believe in that anymore. So I'm trying to take control of our own future in a risk-free way right here. Now let me tell you one more thing I'm doing. A lot of people are trying to mine Bitcoin. Everything's Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. The thing is though, the investment up front, you cannot start out with homemade junk like I did. You can't. You have to buy a $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 machine up front, even higher. And then the risk is that the complexity of mining Bitcoin goes up faster than you earn your money back from the initial investment on that machine. And there again, you have risk. You have risk. And so what I do is I mine what I call penny coins. I go with what I'm mining at this time is 0.0002 cents a piece. 4 zeros and a 2 cents. Dollars. $0.0002. So it's a fraction of a penny per coin, but therefore I get 10, 15, 20,000 coins in a day. And just let it sit there. On one coin I have 360, 370,000 of these coins. That's just going to sit there. Hey, if those things hit a penny, I got a few $1,000s. If those things hit 10 cents, we'll pay off our house. If those things hit $1, we can retire. And I'm going after a bunch of different dirt cheap coins like this, with the hopes of one of these going big and paying for our future, for our retirement. The risk, 0. The possibility of losing everything, none, because this stuff is still going to be here. All this will still be here, even if it all tanks. I've lost nothing but time. And here's the great thing, we're not even on the homestead during the day anymore, so we are not here to use the excess solar power, which I'm out here watching the sun shine and beautiful blue skies while I'm at the store running the shop. I'm not here to use that solar power at the house. I can't afford a proper grid tie, so that's just not used wasted energy. So I'm using energy that I wouldn't have used in the first place because we're not home to run it, to run washing machine or air conditioner or whatever. We're not home to run it, and the initial 1600 watt solar power bank, what isn't used, it's just gone. So burn it, run it, use it. I got a computer running. As long as that sun is shining, I've got computers running, and I am getting a risk-free, zero-cost investment in our future. So I hope that's clear. A lot of people don't know a lot about what crypto is. Maybe I'll get into that one day in the future. But I wanted to tell you because there's so much in the comments and so many questions about why I spent so much on cryptocurrency. And I didn't. It wasn't any money that I had. The money I spent, I wouldn't have had if I wasn't mining cryptocurrency in the first place. Yeah, with almost all free parts. It was just a reinvestment and an improvement of my equipment. Now, once I get this solar powered cryptocurrency mining farm in operation, I've got computers all up and running and it's all fully automated and they're turning on and off with the power of the sun. I am not fully automated right now because I am doing some testing on the circuitry, but once I am running with the power of the sun, fully automated, then I will take half of that income each month to reinvest into improving the system, to gain even more each month, to improve our solar power even better, which, as David always says on my channel on the comments, to improve our quality of living. So we'll be able to run more and more when we're home. If I want to run the air conditioner, I can shut off a mining rig, power on the air conditioner, and relax and enjoy. But that's only possible because of the income from these machines that I'm reinvesting back into the system. So I hope that all makes sense. Sorry for the distractions. I am really sitting here running a very experimental system, but very soon it's going to be completely automated. And we're investing in the future with no investment of our own. I think that's pretty cool. So if you haven't seen it, check out my previous video, how I got started mining cryptocurrency for free. You can too. I'm also going to probably do an article series on this, talking about how I got started and showing the computers and the equipment. I think I have all of it. I'll show you how I did it and how you can too. And yeah, I'm here to answer questions if you want. So check out the forum, the Do-It-Yourself World/forum. The link is on the Do-It-Yourself World website, thedoityourselfworld.com. I'm happy to help or answer any questions, help you out. And check out DIYTube.video community, where you can earn free cryptocurrency just for commenting, and for uploading videos. If you get views on your videos, you earn crypto. So there's another way to get into the crypto market. So that's it, guys. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And please like, subscribe, and share. Follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully off the grid and self-sufficient on a budget. Self-sufficient retirement plan right there, guys. That's one way to go. I'd love to hear from you, and hit that bell icon and get notifications of uploads. Talk to you later.